Alright, Jiao Em, how's everyone today? I'm really sorry I can't be here today, but I kind of want to help you a little bit with your homework. So take a look at this problem. This is probably one of the harder ones on your homework. I'm actually going to do this two ways for you, so you guys can see this. You feel free to pause or slow down if the class needs to, but take a look. First things first, we have a fraction over a fraction. So here's the problem. We need to combine these fractions together first, and then these fractions together. Does that kind of make sense? We have to combine the first fraction and the bottom fraction, and then we could actually divide them. So take a look. The top one. The top one looks like this. 2 over x plus 4 plus 2. Common denominator. You need x plus 4, top and bottom. So you need x plus 4, x plus 4. This becomes 2 over x plus 4 plus 2x plus 8 over x plus 4, which is going to be 2x plus 10 over x plus 4. Sound good? That's just the numerator. So I'm going to write down the side here. The numerator is 2x plus 10 over x plus 4. Now we're going to work with the denominator. So let me erase this side work, and let's look at the denominator alone. Look at the denominator. This becomes 1 plus 3x plus 4. Common denominator, x plus 4, so it will be x plus 4 over x plus 4 plus 3 over x plus 4. This becomes x plus 7 over x plus 4. Alright, questions? Slow down if you need me to. This becomes x plus 7 over x plus 4. Alright. So what did I just do? I just simplified the numerator by adding those two numbers together, and I simplified the denominator by adding those two numbers together. The numerator are these two numbers, which make this, and the denominator are these two numbers, which made this. Sound good? Now I have a fraction over a fraction. That really just means 2x plus 10 over x plus 4 divided by x plus 7 over x plus 4. Multiply that by the reciprocal. This is 2x plus 10 over x plus 4 times x plus 4 divided by x plus 7. Look at this. What reduces? X plus 4 reduce. Your final answer is 2x plus 10 over x plus 7. Woo! That's it. How do you feel? Good? We got to talk about restrictions. What can't x be? X cannot be negative 4. And it looks like, oh man, it looks like more than that. X can't be negative 4 and negative 7. Almost missed one. Alright, how do you feel about that one? Good? Alright, let's take a look at, I'm going to do this another way for you. If you want to take a look, let me write the problem down. Oh man, they didn't even ask for restriction. Alright, I want to do this another way. Take a look real fast. Let me erase this. I'm going to show you the power of common denominator. Take a look at my denominators. Let's look at all my denominators. My denominators are x plus 4 for this one right here. My denominator is 1 for this one right here. My denominator is also x plus 4 right here, and 1 and 1. You see that? My denominators are x plus 4, 1, and x plus 4. So what's common by that? All of them together is x plus 4. So my common denominator is x plus 4. Everyone see that? So take a look. Watch how powerful this is. I'm going to multiply the top and bottom by the common denominator. And what does this do? By multiplying my common denominator, it gets rid of the whole fraction. Always when you multiply by common denominator, the fractions go away. I want to distribute this into this number and this number. So far so good. Let's look at the top. What is x plus 4 times this? That is basically 2. That's just the x plus 4's cancel out, just leaving a 2. Everyone see that? Alright. What is x plus 4 times 2? That is plus 2x plus 8. So far, so good. Divided by, what is x plus 4 times 1? That is just x plus 4. And finally, what is x plus 4 times 3 over x plus 4? The x plus 4 cancels, leaving just a 3. My top is 2x plus 10. My denominator is x plus 7. Take a look at that. How do you feel about that? Is that crazy? Did that blow your mind? Good. That was in your homework. Now, on your classwork today, which you're going to be working after this video is done, is this problem. I'll give you an example real fast. You're going to be doing a lot of these problems today. So, I just want to make sure you understand before you get to work. So, can you pause the video and everyone give this a try? And we're going to check our work in a little bit. When everyone's done, we'll unpause and we'll check our work together. Make sure everyone understands before you go ahead and do the work. The classwork. Alright. Alright, we're going to do this problem here. So, hopefully, let's take a look. We're going to cross multiply. So, it looks like the video shut down, but if you can't see me, oh well. Cross multiply, so we're going to multiply this times this. That becomes 36x plus 42. You're going to multiply across this to here. That becomes 20x plus 90. Solve for x. That means you get x on one side. Subtract 20x from both sides, you get a 16x. Subtract 42 from both sides, you should have 58. Correct? Let me double check that. 40. No, it looks like 48. Good catch, whoever caught that. 48, 48, 80, 90. Yeah, correct. Divide by x 16 from both sides. X equals 16. It looks like 3. X equals 3. Good, you got an answer, but getting an answer is not good enough. You have to check if one of their answers is a restriction or not. So check. Let's look at the restriction. First restriction. 6x plus 7 equals 0. Cannot equal 0. 6x cannot equal negative 7. X cannot equal negative 7 over 6. Is that one of our restrictions? No. So we're still good. Check with the other one. 2x plus 9 cannot equal 0. 2x cannot equal negative 9. X cannot equal negative 9 over 2. That's another restriction. Does that match? No. So our answer is good. And we can plug in our answer to see if it's correct. Good job, guys. You'll have another video tomorrow during class. I'll see you. Have a great weekend.